Hello children, I welcome you all to class 3rd Social Science subject. Okay, so this is Ashlata Jagdish and I am your Social Science teacher. So today we are going to study about the introduction of this subject and what all things you are going to learn in this social. Okay children, so you all are staying at home since 1 year. Is it more than 1 year is over and you are staying at home? I hope you all are missing your school, teachers, friends, is it? So we are also missing you children. You all are staying at home for what reason? You know that? Yes, it's because of coronavirus disease, is it? So it's the pandemic, not only our country or we alone are suffering from that. Whole world is suffering because of this coronavirus. Is it? It is spreading everywhere. So what is this coronavirus children? You know it? Yes. This is a disease which is spreading through one person to another by cough, sneezing and it will have high temperature, fever. Is it? So this is the way how coronavirus is spreading everywhere in the world. So what we can do as a citizen of this country? So you all can also, you are also a part of this country, is it? And you are also a part, and you can also contribute for this by maintaining social distance and by using mask and cover your nose and mouth, is it? And hand sanitizer you need to use. These are the COVID protocols, means we can protect ourselves and we can protect others by not spreading it. Is it? It's our part as a citizen of our country. So in which country we all are living children? Yes, it's India. Is it? So let's see now about the subject till now. Now let's see about the introduction of this subject. Okay, so you all are going to learn social science subject, is it? So in earlier class, means in 2nd standard, you studied only English, Kannada, maths and EVS. In EVS only you studied about the science and social, both were combined in that subject only, is it? Our neighborhood you have studied and my school you have studied. So these were the part of social, and along with that you studied human body and force. These all were of science. So both combined you studied as a EVS, means environmental studies, is it? So now let's start with social science. So what does it deals with? Means what do you learn in this subject? You learn the things which are related to your life children, is it? So what you will learn? You will know about the your planet and your country and how to behave with the people where you are living. We all live in a society, is it? Yes. So how you have to behave and how you should take care of others. Maybe your family, your friends, your relatives, is it? So this is the only subject and it's very interesting, where you are going to learn about the lifestyle of yours. How you should behave, how you should develop your culture. Means what is our culture as a Indian citizen. We all are Indians, is it? Yes. So in this subject you are going to learn about your Indian culture, about your country and about your society, government, constitution. These all more things and your rights in your country. Okay, so many more things you will learn in this subject and this is very super interesting subject. Okay, shall we start the class now? Yes. First let's see what all the lessons you are going to learn in this subject. First one, you will learn about the planet is the planet where you are living, children? Yes, it's Earth. Is it? So, you are going to learn about your planet, that is Earth. So, its movements, how many types of movements are there, and what is the shape of your planet. These all things you are going to learn in your first chapter, that is the planet we live in. So, let's move to the second chapter, that is my country, India. So, we all are called as Indians. Do you feel proud, children? Yes, we all feel proud to be an Indian. Is it? Yes. So, here you are going to learn about your country. So, what is this subject, what is this lesson deals with, you know? Means what do you learn in this lesson? About the kings, queens, those who used to rule our country earlier. Like the Mughal Empire. In this you learn about the Akbar the Great. Okay, Akbar the Great was a king. You know about this. And you know the stories of Akbar and Birbal, children? Yes. So, about the Mughal Empire you are going to learn. And he was also a king. Then next comes Maratha Empire. You know, children, who was the founder of Maratha Empire? Yes. It's Maharaja Shivaji. So, you are going to learn about him also in this lesson. Means Maharaja Shivaji. Then next, after kings and queens used to rule, then who came to India? You know that? Yes, it's Britishers. So next, after the king and queen ruled India, next came the Britishers. They also ruled for how many years? 200 years. They ruled us. So then what happened? Yes, we got independence. Then you will learn about the freedom fighters who fought against Britishers to get the independence. This is what you are going to learn in this My Country, India. Is it interesting, children? Yes. So let's move to the third chapter, that is people around us. Where do you live? Yes, it's your house. Is it? So you live with your family. Who all are there in your family? Your parents are there? No? Right. Then your grandparents are there. They are also called as senior citizens. Maybe grandfather or grandmother. Is it? They are called as senior citizens. Then in this lesson, people around us, you will learn about senior citizens. That's what I said. Grandparents. Then sick people means how you should treat the person who is ill. Okay? This will you will also learn your culture. Means how to respect your elders, how you should treat, how you should talk with others. So this shows our culture. That is Indian culture. Is it? Yes. This is what you are going to learn in people around us. About the sick people and about the senior citizen and about the special people. Special people means I will tell you later on who are the special people. In that lesson only you will learn, so that you get little interest in reading this lesson. Okay, children. Let's move on to the next chapter, that is caring and sharing. Yes, this is what the subject also teaches you. Social science means what? Social behavior. How you should behave. Is it? You are going to learn this. Caring and sharing. Here you will learn how to take care of others. The joy of caring. And when you are having things, maybe your siblings, your brother, sister, your cousins, is it? We share things with others. You give some chocolates or anything to others. How do you feel? Is it? That matters. So, you are going to learn about the joy of sharing. And children, in the fourth lesson you will learn the joy of caring and the joy of sharing. Is it interesting, children? Yes. This is what the subject deals with. What type of food do you eat? Daily we have a routine. Is it? Staple food we call. This is the main food. So here in this lesson we are going to learn about food. How do we get the food? From where you get the food? Not from the shop, is it? We buy it from the shop, but from where it comes to the shop? That is grown in the fields. So you will learn about the different types of food which is eaten in different places. So different types of food you learn and about how it reaches us. We go to shop and we buy it, is it? But till shop how it comes, that you are going to learn this lesson. Then next comes the clothes we wear. In this lesson you are going to learn about different types of clothes and how the cloth is made. See, everybody doesn't wear same type of clothes. Doctors have different uniform, students have different uniform, is it? Like this, about the clothes we wear. We wear different clothes in different functions, parties, is it? So about the clothes, you are going to learn different types of clothes and how the cloth is made. Okay children? So next one is housing. Housing means what? About the house. How a good house should be. And you will learn about different types of houses. In the second standard also you might have learned this lesson, is it? Where you find igloos, bungalows, then tent house. These are the different types of houses you will learn in detail in this chapter. Then how a good house should be. See, even this pandemic is also teaching this. Pandemic means which is a disease which is making us afraid of, is it? We are maintaining cleanliness at home, is it? That in this lesson also you will learn how to maintain a good house, means how to maintain it cleanliness, its hygienic, how you have to clean the house, how you should help your parents to keep the house clean. So this is what you are going to learn in this chapter, that is how we live. Then next comes mapping our neighborhood. In this lesson you will learn about the mapping of neighborhood, means the places which are near to your house. About this you will learn, means how you have to identify and different directions, how many directions are there and how you should identify the direction and how you have to locate your place. This is what you are going to learn in this mapping our neighborhood. This is all about the first lesson. First lesson is what? For 6 months or only for few months we are going to learn these lessons. Then again after that you are going to write the test. Then we will continue with the second semester. Means again new lessons you will learn. Apart from these 8 lessons, still more lessons you will learn in the second semester. This was the introduction of first semester. Okay children, I hope it's clear. So all of you maintain hygienic, healthy habits. Then try to write and practice. I think now almost you have lost this writing practice, is it? You all are staying at home. So write it and practice it very well and complete your notes on time. Maybe classwork or homework. Prepare well. You are going to get enough time for enjoyment also for your studies also, is it? So you all need to put your effort. Take your parents' help and do it very well. So by this we will meet in the next session. Till then, take care. Thank you.